If you're tired of spending hours writing product descriptions, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the StoreSEO AI Product Description Generator to create high-converting, SEO-optimized descriptions in just a few minutes. First, let's start by accessing the tool. From your Shopify admin dashboard, open the StoreSEO app and navigate to the Optimize SEO tab. Here, you'll see a list of your products. Simply click on the product you want to work on, and then switch over to the Description tab. Before generating the text, StoreSEO helps you lay the groundwork. You can click to view a keyword cluster map to ensure you are targeting the right search terms. Then, utilizing the agent discovery pillars like materials, features, use cases, and care instructions, you can select exactly what aspects of the product the AI should focus on. Over on the right-hand side, under the AI Description Generator, you can plug in specific details like physical dimensions or weight if needed. Once your parameters are set, simply click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will process your keywords and selected pillars to create a complete, well-structured product description designed to drive conversions. You can hit Regenerate to get an alternative version instantly. Take a moment to read through the generated result in the text editor. You can easily tweak any details or add your own brand-specific touches. The best part? There is no copying and pasting required. Once you're happy with the draft, simply hit Save at the top of the screen. StoreSEO will automatically sync and replace the product description right inside your Shopify store. And that's how easy it is to auto-generate product descriptions with StoreSEO. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on optimizing your Shopify store.